Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to contact customer service on crypto.com. So once you've opened up your crypto.com wallet, what you'll do is simple. Tap on the wallet over here and then you view the wallet settings. So you tap on that. So once you tap on that, scroll down gently like this. So once you scroll down gently, you see over here in the last option over here, you see this option which says Help Center. So tap on that Help Center. As you can see here, you have two options. One says go to our FAQ. So this one, it says go to our FAQ. It will generate for you a set of questions that have been randomly asked by other users and their answers. So I recommend you go to live chat. So once you go to the live chat, allow it to access the storage of your phone and now tap on send a message. So as you tap on send a message, click on what you want to type. So for this case, I'll tap on security. So once I tap on security, they will then reply to me within 3 hours over here. As you can see, they say they typically reply within 3 hours. So they'll be replying to me within 3 hours, and the person that will be replying to me will be the person that is handling security issues within crypto.com. And that's how simple it is, guys. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.